Whenever I face my shave. Whenever I face my... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Simran Lulla and hope you are having a great day or a great night and hope you are enjoying my content till now. Today's video is going to be a very helpful video for the people who are thinking about face shaving but are continuously having second thoughts that should I shave my face? Will it grow my hair back darker? Will it grow my hair back thicker? Will it change the growth of my hair? I'm going to bust some myths in the whole video, so you have to watch the whole video if you want to know the answers of all the questions. And I am promising you this video will be very helpful for you if you are thinking of shaving your face. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have already washed my face with face wash and my skin is bare. I have not applied anything, not even moisturizer, nothing. Some people do the face shaving in dry skin, some people do it with aloe vera gel, and I do it with aloe vera gel. So first we'll apply the aloe vera gel. This is the Green Leaf Pure Aloe Vera Skin Gel and the bottle looks somewhat like this. I use this every time whenever I face my shave. Whenever I shave my face, I use this only, and I say I have not faced any reaction, any rashes or anything. And do make sure that whenever you use your face razor, make sure to clean it before using, and make sure that you don't use it multiple times. Like if you have used it I think more than 10 times, then you should change the razor, because face is the main thing that we don't want infection on. First I'll apply the aloe vera gel. As I am a dry skin person, I like to apply the aloe vera gel in more quantity. Applying aloe vera gel. Don't absorb it. Leave it on the skin. Like don't let it absorb. तभी तो आपका रेजर smoothly glide हो जाएगा ना. Don't let it get absorbed. Just leave it on the face like this. And this feels so cool. Like I seriously like this aloe vera gel a lot. I have heard a lot of people using the Patanjali ones and I have not used that one till now, so I cannot say anything about that aloe vera gel, but I like this one as well. And if you have used Patanjali aloe vera gel, let me know in the comment section. How do you find the Patanjali aloe vera gel? I generally don't apply the aloe vera gel on the whole face at once. I apply it where I have to shave. So you can apply it where you have to shave, and then you can again apply it again where you have to shave. But as I had taken out more, so I applied it on the whole face. So now let's start with the shaving. So this is what the razor looks like, and this is called the Tinkle razor. I got it from Amazon and I'll leave the link in the description if you want to purchase it too. It comes in a pack of 3. Hold all of your hair back because you don't want to shave your head as well. So you can see the facial hair I have now. So you have to hold the razor this way, not like this. You have to hold the razor like this, and you have to hold your face so that the skin does not get down. You have to hold the face like this, and you have to hold the razor like this, and you have to just I am using a napkin to rub off the hair. Don't let your skin be loose, otherwise if you don't hold your face, your skin will get loose and it might get a cut. So do hold your face like this so your skin won't get loose. Hold your face, angle, now let's move on the another side. My skin has dried from this side, so I am applying the aloe vera gel again, holding the hair back, holding the razor on an angle. For the forehead, I am again applying the aloe vera gel on the sides as well. You have to hold all of the head hair like this. So after doing the whole face, you have to wash it with water, and then you have to apply the moisturizer you apply in good amount. So some tips on how to shave your face. Apply aloe vera gel and then do your shaving, because it will glide the razor smoothly and your skin won't get cut easily. Second, don't apply your makeup instantly after you shave your face. Let it breathe, let it be like that for 2 to 3 hours, or I suggest that you shave your face on night and then let your skin breathe the whole night, and then the next morning you can apply your makeup. But don't instantly do makeup after shaving your face. You can if it's urgent, but if you have the option of not applying makeup, then do choose the option of not applying makeup instantly after you shave your face. Third, don't let your skin be dry after you shave your face, because your skin might get some reaction after you shave your face. If you are shaving your face for the first time, don't worry if your skin show some reaction, and don't let your skin be dry after you shave your face. Also a tip, don't shave your face in the opposite direction of your hair growth. Shave your face in the direction of your hair growth. Yes. So now we'll bust some myths and facts about face shaving. I am not a professional. We are going to ask Google the myths that we have about face shaving. So the number one myth that we have, that does our skin get dark after face shaving? I will state my personal opinion first, and then I will state the Google's opinion afterwards. So firstly, I have been shaving my face since a whole year now, or more than a year, and I have not faced any skin darkening on the areas that I shave my face. My personal opinion, no, your skin does not get darker after you start your face shaving. You can see that my skin is the same on everywhere. Your skin does not get darker. Don't worry, you can shave your face. Facial hair is normal. Removing facial hair is optional. Having facial hair is normal. The second question that we all have is, does your hair grow back darker after face shaving? My personal opinion, no, it doesn't grow back darker. It is the same as it was before, because the color of your hair won't change after face shaving. You are not applying anything, you are just applying razor, so it won't affect the color of your hair. You just have to take care that you don't shave against the growth of your hair. But no, it does not grow back your hair darker. It has not grown to the extent that I have a lot of hair on my face. No, it is not like that. The growth is the same as it was before. Now let's see what Google says. No, shaving hair doesn't change its thickness, color or rate of growth. Shaving facial or body hair gives the hair a blunt tip. Yes, that is true. Shaving your hair gives it a blunt tip. I don't only shave my face, I shave my arms, I shave my legs, and I use a razor. I have given up waxing since a long time because it's painful. Also, it's totally personal how you feel about waxing or shaving, but in my opinion, I have been more bent towards shaving with a razor, because waxing is painful, it takes time, and it's a mess. And shaving is instant, you can do it anywhere, anytime, and it's not a mess, it does not take time. So in my case, I love shaving more than waxing. So yeah, let's get back. Shaving facial or body hair gives the hair a blunt tip. The tip might feel coarse or stubbly for a time as it grows out. During this phase, the hair might be more noticeable and perhaps appear darker or thicker, but it's not. So it's written that during the time your hair is growing back, it might have a blunt tip, and you would notice it as it has gone dark, but no, it's just a blunt tip and it's coming again. So you would think that it's dark, but no, it's not dark. It will remain the same color as they were before. because again you are applying razor, you are not applying any color. So don't worry, your skin does not grow dark or your hair does not grow dark after face shaving. Another question, does your hair growth increase after face shaving? I told it I have been doing it since a long time, and no, my hair growth has not increased. It is the same as it was before. Now let's see what Google says. Will shaving my facial hair cause it to grow back thicker? Shaving blunts the edges of hair, making it feel stubbly and coarse. This may create the illusion that hair has become darker or thicker. Shaving facial hair, however, doesn't thicken it or changes its color. So don't worry. Just shave your face if you want to. Also, Google says that the most common misconception that women have about facial shaving. Each individual hair is thicker at the shaft and then gradually tapers towards the end. When the hair gets shaved, it gets cut down at the shaft, and hence while growing back, it just appears to be thicker, but it is not thicker. When it is like on the initial state, when it's growing back, you might think that it's getting dark, because that's just an illusion. It is not growing back dark, it is just growing again. That's why you see it as it is growing dark or thick or more dark in color, but no, it's not coming out as any of these. It's totally safe and it's totally optional to shave your hair. So yeah, I'm not promoting shaving in any way, but I just like it. It's personal, and I am just suggesting that if you are thinking of shaving hands, legs or face, you can totally do it. This was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on Instagram, and hope this video was helpful to you. And I would love to see if you start shaving your face after watching this video, because if even one person found this video helpful, then it's enough for me. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hope you're enjoying my content till now. Do drop a feedback in the comment section so that I can know that you are enjoying my videos or you are liking my content and my content is helpful to you. Do drop your feedbacks and do drop any video idea you want to see on my channel. Tada!